All right, we all knew this was coming, but Nano Banana Pro just changed the rules completely. The gap between real and AI-generated visuals just collapsed. Again. For the past few days, I've been pushing Nano Banana Pro to its absolute limits. Not just generating random images, but actually testing how much control, consistency, and realism you can really get out of it. In this video, I'll share how to actually use Nano Banana Pro like an expert, so your results stop looking AI-generated and start looking production-ready. I'll also share some cool templates and prompts you can use to create better images. Now, technically, you can access Nano Banana Pro directly inside Gemini. It's available there, and you can test it out. But there's one big limitation. You only get a very small number of generations. That's the main reason I personally don't use it inside Gemini for serious work. Instead, I use Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield, and honestly, this setup just makes way more sense for creators. The biggest advantage here is that I'm not locked into only image generation. I can generate images, edit them, fix details, resize them to any aspect ratio, and then turn those same images directly into videos, all in one workflow. So I'm not jumping between 5 different tools. Everything is in one place.
Another cool thing is that Higgsfield is offering unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for 1 year, so be sure to check it out. To access it, once you're inside Higgsfield, just go to the Image section, select Nano Banana Pro, and you're ready to go. With this update, you can choose any aspect ratio and create images to up to 4K quality. Before we dive into all the crazy use cases, I want to give you one simple framework that will instantly level up every single prompt you write inside Nano Banana Pro. I call this the SLCT formula. If you follow this structure, your results will be more consistent, more cinematic, and way more controllable. Every strong prompt should answer just 4 things. Subject. Who or what is the main focus of the image? How is the scene lit? This controls the mood, realism, and depth. Camera, composition. How are we viewing the scene? Close-up, wide shot, text, or tiny details? Any important text, logos, materials, or small details that must be accurate. You don't need long, messy prompts. You just need clear structure. This one structure alone will fix 90% of bad AI results. And you get cool results like this. Let's try another one using the same formula. Add the prompt and hit generate. Most people fail with AI images because they describe the subject only, ignore lighting, maybe forget camera perspective, and never control text or fine details. The SLCT formula forces you to think like a photographer, not just a prompter. Once you lock this in, every Nano Banana feature becomes 10 times more powerful, and you get powerful results like this one. In the description below, I have added a link to my complete Nano Banana Pro guide that has plenty of cool prompt frameworks, cinematic workflows, different use cases prompt templates, and a lot of cool stuff that you can simply copy and paste and create amazing stuff. Be sure to check that out. So this is the base image I generated first. Clean studio lighting, nice shadow on the wall, perfect pose. Now, for the first use case, I'm turning this into a virtual try-on. Here's the exact prompt I use for this. Act as a professional virtual stylist. Dress the model from image 1 in the garment from image 2. Ensure the fabric drapes naturally over her pose. If the fabric is cotton, keep it matte. Preserve the original lighting, shadows, and camera angle exactly as the base image. What I love about this is how realistic the fabric looks. The folds follow the body properly, the lighting doesn't break, and it actually looks like a real product shoot. This alone replaces full lifestyle photo shoots for clothing brands. Now here's another thing Nano Banana is actually surprisingly good at, keeping the same character consistent across totally different scenes. I'm going to take this exact same generated image, lock her identity, and now I'll start moving her into completely different environments, but without changing her face, body, or overall look. Before I show you the examples, this is the simple template you should always follow when you want perfect character consistency. Keep the exact same person from the reference image. Do not alter facial structure, skin tone, body shape, hairstyle, or age. Only change the environment and lighting. Preserve realism, perspective, and camera angle. If you follow that structure, you'll get clean, repeatable characters every time. All right, first let's place her in a cafe. And look at that, same face, same posture, same vibe, just a completely new environment. That's the consistency we want. Now I'll reuse that exact same character again, but this time outdoors. And again, it still feels like the same person, only the environment changed. Now let's switch to a seasonal look. And there it is. And for a clean brand look, place her in a minimalist studio with soft softbox lighting and neutral background. E-commerce ready, ultra realistic. Now this is where things start getting really fun. Style swapping. We've already locked our character. Same face, same body, same identity. Now instead of changing the person, we're going to change the art style, the visual language, and the overall mood of the image, without breaking realism. So, I'm going to use this prompt template. Keep the exact same person from the reference image. Preserve facial structure, body proportions, pose, and expression. Transform only the visual style into style, which is comic book style in my case. Maintain realism, lighting coherence, and camera perspective. Now, this is perfect. It just completely changed the style, exactly what I had in mind.
Another really powerful thing Nano Banana Pro can do is structure referencing. This means, instead of guessing layouts from scratch, the AI actually locks onto the geometry of one image and then injects the style of another image on top of it. Now in this example, we start with a completely empty, clean room. No furniture, no vibe, just pure layout. Then, we take a second image of a fully styled, cozy living room. Warm tones, textures, lighting, furniture, everything. Nano Banana Pro reads the walls, windows, proportions, and depth from the empty room, but it borrows the entire aesthetic from the furnished space. Use the room layout, proportions, and geometry from image 1 exactly as the base structure. Apply the interior design style, color palette, lighting, and overall aesthetic from image 2. Keep all walls, windows, floor layout, and spatial proportions from image 1 unchanged. Decorate the space using the furniture, textures, and warmth from image 2. And the result is honestly wild. What's impressive here is how clean the merge feels. The empty room's proportions remain untouched. Same windows, same ceiling height, same wall positions. But the space is suddenly transformed into a warm, magazine-ready interior. Everything sits exactly where it should. This is insanely useful for interior designers, real estate staging, Airbnb mockups, architects. Freelancers are making a lot of money by providing these services to real estate clients. Nano Banana Pro really starts feeling unreal in multi-image prompting. Instead of relying on a single photo, you can feed Nano Banana separate images for the person, the accessories, and the environment, and it intelligently merges everything into one clean, realistic final shot. What makes this different from older tools is that it doesn't just paste objects on top. It actually understands scale, perspective, lighting direction, shadow behavior, material realism. So in this example, we start with a model as our base identity. Her face, pose, expression, body proportions, all of that stays locked. Then, each accessory comes from a separate product image. I'll add the prompt, rewrite the image of the woman from image 1 while preserving her face, pose, hairstyle, expression, and full body proportions. Keep her identity perfectly consistent. Add the sunglasses from image 2, placing them naturally on her face with correct perspective and angle. Add the gold watch from image 3 on her wrist with realistic scale and reflections. Add the yellow bucket hat from image 4, shaped naturally to her head and hair. Add the handbag from image 5, positioned to match her pose and weight distribution. Place her into the outdoor Paris street from image 6. What stands out here is how everything feels shot in the same moment. The reflections on the watch match the sunlight. The shadows on the ground follow the street's natural direction. The handbag doesn't float, it carries proper weight. The hat doesn't clip into the hairline. And most importantly, the model still looks exactly like the original person. This is the difference between AI image generation and true AI scene construction. Now let's switch gears and look at something super practical: social media posts. This is honestly one of the fastest real-world uses of Nano Banana Pro for marketing. Instead of designing everything manually in Canva or Photoshop, you can take one simple product or food image and turn it into a fully styled, Instagram-ready post.
Create a high-angle, flat-lay Instagram post for a bakery. Subject: a golden, flaky croissant on a pastel pink plate, surrounded by scattered coffee beans and a napkin. Sunday special. Ensure the text is perfectly centered and legible against the pink background. And bam! You've got a scroll-stopping post that looks professionally designed in seconds. A clean, branded, Instagram-ready post without touching a design tool. That's crazy. Now, I added a couple more prompts, and these are the images I got. Honestly, Nano Banana Pro is a real upgrade. By the way, in the description, I added a link to my Nano Banana Pro prompt guide that has a lot of cool templates, prompt formulas for a lot of different use cases, and very cool stuff. Make sure to check that out. Now here's another area where Nano Banana Pro really surprised me. Infographics and text-heavy visuals. You actually just saw a perfect example of this with the SLCT framework graphic I created earlier. That entire visual breakdown, the layout, the sections, the sharp text, the clean design, all of that was generated inside Nano Banana. No Illustrator, no Figma, no manual layout work. Here's the prompt template I used, and here's the actual prompt I used. These are the kind of graphics that would normally take 30 to 60 minutes to design manually, and these came out in a single prompt. So what you've seen in this video is really just the tip of the iceberg. Nano Banana Pro goes much deeper than what I can realistically cover without turning this into a 1-hour tutorial. That's why I've compiled all of my advanced prompt templates, real production workflows, and technical breakdowns into a complete Nano Banana Pro guide. If you want to move from experimenting to getting consistent, production-ready results, you'll find that guide linked in the description.